Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Then enter the graphic card model number for RTX 3060T Gaming Pro 8G. After that search your graphic card, then click on the product. Now you can see this is so 1.2 and 1.0 and 2.0. So both graphic card driver download and installations process same. Select any and then click on support. Then select the operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. After that, this is your driver and this is the download icon. When you click to download icon, it will start downloading. You can see in the download box, and it will take 4 to 5 minutes and depend about your internet. After completed, then click on three dot and then go to download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that, you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that, you can see. Okay. Now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon, next, license options, then here to step finished, and after that also completed driver, then restart your system.